everybody, so I'm Rachel and I'm here to review, I have 2 Ipsy Glam bags and we're going to review them, find out which one is the best of these 2 bags. It's a monthly subscription service that sends you beauty products, cosmetics, hair care, skin care, all that fun stuff, and it's $10 and it's really a really good bang for your buck. And let's see what I got. This first bag, they always send you one of these makeup bags. This one has 3 different colors of blue on it. It's very pretty, I think. Okay. First is from Sahi Cosmetics. This is a metallic foil eyeshadow. It's like a gold color. Kind of a pinky gold color. That's pretty. And there's a lot of glitter in it too, which is nice. Okay, we have 2 charcoal bubble masks. Then I have a in the navy, so this is like a navy eyeliner. It's from Bare Minerals. This is a Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. With moisture, reawaken the look of youth and enhance skin's resilience. So there you go. So I have the eyeliner, the eyeshadow, and the 2 masks. So it's definitely well worth the $10, but not my favorite Ipsy bag I've ever had. So let's see what the other one has. Ooh, we get a nice brush from Crown. Here's our bag. This is more like a canvas kind of bag, and it's orange with yellow border. It's cute. Okay. First we have, this is a gel, a cleansing gel by U Thermal Aveni. So, French, very fancy. Okay, then we have Trust Fund Beauty. This is Lipgasm lip gloss. Ooh, I like lip gloss. Kind of a weird color though. It's sort of orange. Yeah, it's kind of a weird color. I wish it wasn't this color. But, oh well. Okay, then we have from Orib Matte Waves Texture Lotion. So that's for your hair. I can use that. Then we have Glow 2 Highlighter. So this is a little thing of powder. That's it. So we have the Glow 2, we have the cleanser gel, we have the little thing of hair gel, and we have the lip gloss. And the brush and the bag. I think I actually, even though I said this one wasn't my favorite, I think I should like this one a little bit better because of the weird color. If the color of the lip gloss was better in this one, I definitely like this better, but I feel like this eyeliner and eye shadow are going to be a lot more useful to me than this items in here. But I don't know, what do you think? Which one do you think is better out of the 2 bags? Let me know. And if you're subscribing to Ipsy, I'll have a link down in the description section. Check that out. And thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye!